Welcome to our series of how to maintain your Titan Pro garden machinery. Before carrying out any work, please ensure the engine is switched off and the spark plug is disconnected.
Today we're going to be installing the ram stop kit on our Titan Pro 7-ton log splitter. The tools you will need are a 22mm socket and a 22mm spanner. Firstly, you will need to extend the ram out to around this position, making sure a friend or a partner holds the safety lever down at all times to keep this in position. So we take off the 22mm nuts. The washer too. Okay, then we slide the rod back, undo the left-hand nut. Always fit the ram stop on the left-hand side so it doesn't interfere with the bleed valve. Slide the ram stop over, tighten it into a position just past the threads. Keep the right-hand nut in place as a reference point for when you put the left-hand one back on. So when the left-hand nut up equal to the right-hand one, put the spring washer on, then reattach the rods, then reattach the 22mm nuts with the washers. Like so. Then tighten with your 22mm socket. Okay, now once you've reassembled, you're free to let go of the safety lever at the end to pull the ram back into position. To put the ram stop in the position you require, firstly extend the ram, holding the lever down to keep it in position. You can then move the position of the ram stop to the required location, like here. Let go of the lever, and there you go.
To purchase any spares for our Titan Pro garden machinery, please follow the link below.